Hello and hope you had a good time. Today we want to talk about the people who were born in the rat year. What are the general characteristics of rats born? People born under the sign of this horoscope have an aggressive spirit. They sometimes become talkative and exaggerated people. The rat is born with the characteristics of charm and violence, and at first glance they seem humorous and balanced, but do not be deceived by them, because violence and restlessness are hidden behind this cold-blooded face. If you accompany or travel with them for a while, you will notice their upset, anger and temper tantrums. Subscribe our YouTube channel to watch the rest of this video and more. The rat is always upset, dissatisfied, and sometimes nervous, and always build on complaints and grievances. The rat loves group activities, is sociable, but because most of those around him are noisy, he has few friends. He is a creature, he is accustomed to selfishness, so he does not trust anyone. In addition, the rat is fortunate and opportunistic and always uses everything and everyone to its advantages. He uses his parents, friends, and relatives, his own and other money, and even his extraordinary charm to achieve his goals. The rat cannot control the desire to gamble and overeat, but of course denies the existence of these conditions. Although he looks like lively, he is afraid of how he should spend his old age. Although he always lives in the present, he has dreams for his old age. Female rats also tend to overstore food. Although due to overeating, they consume it all very quickly. They can always be seen struggling to buy luxury and unnecessary goods in the hope of making a profit. Rats are often daydreaming and sometimes creative. They excel at finding fault with others, and others like to listen to his advice. But with his exaggeration, this desire diminishes. Even some rats are so enticed by the listener's passion that they eventually destroy everything. The rat is sometimes blindfolded but at the same time honest. He pursues everything to the end, even if he knows that he will fail and a bitter end awaits him. If he can overcome the feeling of constant dissatisfaction and his excessive interest in being idle, he will be successful. No matter what the rat does, it prefers to make a living with its mind and intelligence instead of relying on physical activity. He likes to use the hard work of others, not his own. He spends immediately, and if he lends money to someone, he does not mind getting the benefits. The negative and evil face of the rat is portrayed as a swindler, a freak, a scumbag, and perhaps the owner of a startup business. Bodybuilding and the desire for a comfortable and painless life are a source of warmth for some rats. Perhaps because of this, they are successful in business and politics. At the same time, rats have the ability to successfully pursue an art discipline. He tries harder to use his mind than to do physical works. Although the rat is a profitable creature, it becomes very emotional in time. If he is in love with someone, even if it is not mutual love, he will look at religion and the world and easily hand over his authority of himself. And maybe his work will lead to gambling, wine drinking, infidelity, and worldliness and lover of anticipation. Rats have a happy and comfortable childhood, but in their youth, in spite of their relative ease, they may have an adventurous and troubled life and even suffer financial losses and failure in love. But in old age, they live a comfortable and peaceful life according to what they will wish. Birth season also has a significant impact on the fate of rats. Rats born in the summer are more fortunate because the warehouses are full of food in the summer. But rats born in the winter have to struggle for the rest of their lives to find food and take the potential dangers of human life in the form of imprisonment or death. It appears suddenly. Now let's name celebrities born in the year of the rat. Shakespeare, Racine, George Sand, Tolstoy, Defoe, Jules Verne, Seuss, Catherine Mansfield, Charlotte Bronte, Anton de Saint-Exupéry, and Eugene Ionesco, Mozart, Louis Armstrong, and the Knight of Maurice Winston Churchill, Pablo Himmler, and Enoch Paul. Do you know what are the years of the rat in the calendar? 1912, 1924, 1936, 1948, 1960, 1972, 1984, 1996, 2008, and 2020 are the years of the rats. Now we want to give you some information about born in different months of the year of the rat. April, the rat is trapped, he is very militant and fierce. May, the charming and attractive rat. June, invincible rat, he escapes from any trap. July, the dreamy rat. The palaces he built in the sky prove his extravagance. August, strange rat. He is in conflict with himself, must be more careful. September, laboratory rat. He will eventually find his way in mazes of life. October is a peaceful rat. His offensive mode has been adjusted. Dangerous November rat. He destroys everything in his path. December, frowning and grumpy. The problem is he can be trapped. January, active rat. He succeeds in everything, even saving. February, of intellectual rats. A powerful and influential writer. March, creative rats. He can do anything even if it is wrong.